It's not live.
You sneak.
It's not live. It's good.
Good afternoon. This is Richard Essman with St. Louis Realty Services, and I am here today live on Facebook to speak with you about my very own variable rate commission program. This was something that I designed in 1993 when I opened up my firm. I wanted to differentiate myself from other brokers. The market was changing, and I said, why would people want to work with you in your own office? And so I came up with a reason. What were my advantages? What were my strengths? What were the weaknesses of other companies? And so I decided to create a program that rewarded both the seller and myself each time I sell a house and save the seller money. So I have a 5% commission program. Most of the large companies have 6 or 6.5 or 7% commission programs. Now, if you have a $200,000 house, each 1% that I can save you will save $2,000. How many weeks do you have to work to get $2,000? How many sales do you have to make? I am going to save you $2,000 versus a 6 and $4,000 versus a 4 on a $200,000 sale. Now, I pay out a regular nominal rate of 2.7% to the agents who might bring in a buyer. That's what they expect to see. But if I can find a buyer for your house that doesn't have a realtor, instead of me taking all 5%, I drop my commission 2%. That will save you, in that example, at $200,000, another $4,000. So my 3% program, which happens about 30% of the time, it's just the way my numbers are, versus a 7% will save you $8,000. Now, I am sure that you are going to be spending some money somewhere along the way in the next year, whether it is for moving expenses, whether it is trying to obtain more money for your next down payment so that your monthly mortgage expense is lower. Maybe you need some new furniture for that new home. Maybe you want to go on a vacation for with your family. Maybe you want to give that Christmas gift coming up to your wife and the money isn't there. If I can give you an extra source of income from a product, a sale that is already going to happen anyway, to provide you with the benefits, with the extra opportunity to make these without having to dig into your pocket, wouldn't you want to know how? That's what I do. I make things that were impossible or unlikely happen through the sale. In some cases, I have clients that have no equity in their home. And they're afraid they're going to have to bring money to the table or be a short sale or have a problem. My program will help them come up with that additional equity to preserve the equity that they've got so that they don't enter into that situation. So my program helps to solve their problem and keeping them out of a short sale or a foreclosure. In all cases, my 30 plus years of experience is coming to bear. In all cases, I will put my experience with my 30 years, and as a broker, a licensed trained broker, I will put my experience against a lower licensed agent. Maybe someone smarter than me maybe, but someone who just doesn't have the tools as a broker, have the flexibility of having their own program to play with the commission rates because they have a company with which they have to adhere to the company policy. I don't have those limitations. That's another reason why you might want to consider hiring me to sell your home. Experience, lower commission rates, flexibility are all good reasons to hire me. I invite you to click on the comment link below. It will take you over to my blog page, and you're welcome to fill out a comment card, a suggestion, or a contact me, and I'll get back to you that same day, and I'd be happy to help you and teach you why hiring me would be a really great move. Thank you for your time and consideration.